In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract data from Yahoo Finance to Google Sheets. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting to dip your toes into the stock market, having access to live and historical financial data is invaluable. Google Sheets offers a convenient way to incorporate this data using the Google Finance function, which we'll explore step by step. First, let's dive into the basic foundation of the Google Finance function available in Google Sheets. It's a powerful tool that can pull real-time and historical market data directly into your spreadsheet. This feature allows you to analyze and visualize financial information with ease, keeping your records up to date without manual efforts. For example, if you're interested in viewing the current stock price of a company, say Apple, you simply input the formula add Google Finance, or AAPL, price into a cell in your Google Sheet. This command is designed to fetch the live current price of Apple's stock without hassle, but that's just the beginning of what you can unlock here. Let's take another example. Suppose you're keen to track Tesla's stock price. The process is as straightforward as before. Use the same Google Finance function, but adjust it to fetch Tesla's data. The formula you'll need is Google Finance, TSLA, price. This will provide you with Tesla's current stock price, keeping you well informed and ready to navigate investment decisions with accuracy. Moreover, the Google Finance function is versatile, able to extend beyond mere price inquiries. If you're interested in gleaning a company's market cap, for example, Microsoft, you can use the function Google Finance, MSFT, market cap. This line will pull Microsoft's current market capitalization into your Google Sheet, giving you a clearer picture of its market size and helping you evaluate its standing amongst competitors. The potential of this function doesn't just stop at real-time data. The tool is equally adept at providing historical data, which is often essential for trend analysis. Say you want to examine NVIDIA's closing stock prices over the last month. The formula you would employ is Google Finance. Isquanskrientis. NVDA. Close. Today. 30. Today. Here, you're instructing Google Sheets to retrieve the closing prices of NVIDIA from 30 days ago up until the present day. This data can be pivotal in charting strategic investment moves based on past performance. By understanding and utilizing these formulas, your experience with financial data becomes richer, more dynamic, and efficient. Keep experimenting with different parameters to bring in various pieces of data and refine your analysis. Remember, the world of finance is much better navigated when armed with timely and accurate information, and Google Sheets can serve as a key tool in your arsenal. As you get more comfortable, consider experimenting with the function's other arguments and attributes to customize the data you gather even further to suit your needs.